All right, Juan is going to show everybody how to organize your route while you're on lunch. How you can organize your route while on lunch.
All right, while you're on lunch, you're going to hit the 3 bars, top left-hand corner. You're going to click on your picture. And then you're going to click today's itinerary. So around 3:30, you'll be forced to go to lunch. And then this way you can set up your codes, set up your 20 to 40 stops, depending on how many totes you have.
Based on your sort assist codes, which is that number at the top, B8.2D, you can find that correlated with the yellow sort assist code sticker on your packages. That way you can arrange it by the sort assist code, and then you can arrange the actual stops by the addresses as you see in your itinerary.
And then to go back to the main page, upper left-hand corner, go back to brakes, and that gets you back to, tells you how much time you have left.
That's it. That's all.